Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn from Jessica Lynn Original with ArtistryinCards, and I'm always on the lookout for fun products that I can use to help me with my card making, with my organizational skills for, what projects I'm going to work on. So I wanted to share this with you. I absolutely love it. This is one that I actually purchased myself, and I was like, I need to share it. So it is a 3x3 Post-it note holder. So number one, nice, keep them organized. Second, it comes with this really fun template that lays right inside of it that either comes with the little circles or the checkbox with a line. Now you might say, well, how is that helpful, Jess? If I'm making cards or if I'm making videos or whatever I'm doing. Well, I'm going to show you. So first off, it's really easy to use, and that's like 90% of the battle. And I went in and I'm going to show you right now how this works. All right, so you're going to start by getting your favorite pen. I would encourage you not to use an ink pen because those smear and kind of make a mess. I will put a link down below just so you know for all of the products that I am showcasing. I want this to be a new feature because I get a lot of requests of, hey Jess, where did you get that? Or what is this product? So I will have an Amazon store link down below. I do earn a small commission, which helps support my channel and all of my art. So I appreciate that if you do that. It doesn't cost you anything. It just, you click on it and then I get a commission on it. So I appreciate that. But what I love about this is that your family might say, your husband or your spouse, significant other, they might say to you, well, why do you need this little product? Now I'm going to tell you, I actually have found multi-purposes. So for example, for my kids, if I'm like, hey, I've got a list of things I want you to do today. I don't want to go get a big piece of paper. I just want a small little note, and I'm just going to make one of these up and put on there, go fold your clothes, dirty clothes down the laundry, wash the floor, go ahead and wipe down your TV. Whatever the case may be, look at how simple and fast this is. Now, for me personally, when I make a video or when I have an idea for a card, a lot of times I'll put together my steps or the things that I need to prep for filming me actually making this card. So I'll be like, go and cut the paper, the cardstock, go and get more glue because maybe I'm out of Tombow or whatever I use. Make sure that I have the right stamp set ready to go. Make sure I have ink. Make sure that I have the camera charged. Make sure that I have all these things. And I've even used this at work. For example, if I have a bunch of people that I have to meet up with or I have to talk to that day to make sure tasks are done, I'll actually go in and set up, here's the 10 people I need to call to try and feel like I've accomplished whatever for today. Now, the cool part about this is that this takes 3x3 Post-it notes. So if you are like, oh, I'm kind of in a fall mood, on Amazon, in the link that I'm going to put down below, they have some really cool fall, Post-it note color patterns. So they come in maroons and orange, very fall pumpkin spice kind of look. They also have winter ones, so you can buy seasonal ones, change them out. Maybe that'll help, spark some creativity at work. But what I like is that I can go ahead and then right on the right hand side or left hand side, whatever you want, I'll actually put what the task is. And again, you don't have to do every circle, every line. Maybe you do every other. Maybe you leave a header blank on the top. It's really up to you. But I will be honest, the thing that I like about this is that these are quick and fast, and it's actually really inexpensive. So, it's an easy thing to, and if for some reason, let's say I'm out of Post-its, I can pick them up at practically any store, Targets, Kohl's, whatever. But I really like these to help keep myself organized. I do have calendars and planners and stuff, but some of those are just way too big, and for me, I like being able to just, toss this right up next to my monitor or right up on my computer, right up on my desk. And then I can quickly, accomplish a bunch of things. Or a lot of times I'll set up really small micro goals so that I can, clear a bunch of these in one day, which is really satisfying. So I hope that you enjoyed taking a look at this product. I think it's a really good investment. I mean, it's under $10 and it comes with a starter Post-it note packet. So that's pretty awesome. I will be adding more product reviews as well. So if you're interested in that, be sure to go ahead and subscribe. Or if you like card making, somebody drawing art, all of that good stuff. Subscribe as well. Be sure to visit my rubber stamp website, jessicalynoriginal.com, and I would love to hear from you. Comment down below. Hope that all is well. Take care, everyone.